Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about how to add a custom link like this. This is a custom link here. You if like suppose something you want to redirect to somewhere else. So how to add this kind of custom links into the store configuration in a text field or a text area. Okay, so let's get started how we are going to add such kind of things. So first of all, what we have to do, go to the system.xml, create that field with a custom label name. Okay, so custom text field, and we have a model for the comment section that will return the URL. So it is model Rajnikant offer model config and comment. So there is comment section. So here we are just returning a custom URL. Okay, this is the custom href. So this is returning. So whatever returning from this one, this model, so it is printing, it is adding over here. So you can see that it's adding over here. So I have added a link, so which is redirecting to the offer showcase. So if you want to redirect on the journal, so just need to pass here system config journal. So if I'm going to pass it over here journal, so it will redirect to that journal part. Okay, so let's add this, flush the cache. This is done. Okay, so let's go and reload this. So I'm going to review offer section currently, and if I click on this journal settings, so you can see that it will redirect to the journal settings, right? So whatever you want to redirect to somewhere else, like most of the extensions do the same, like opening the PayPal, or on the PayPal icon, the Braintree authentication, something like this. If you want to do that, so this is the best option that you can go with it. Okay, so adding a link in the store, adding a link below the custom, or it is a comment below the text field, you can add it like this. Okay, any issue, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.